is attempting to complete it without falling 200 feet to the ground.
Whenever you're ready, Mac. First jump, he's about to do it! Oh my god, I'm so high in the air. Look at how much that platform is shaking. We are currently hundreds of feet in the air. Look at that.
And this is just the first of many deadly, painful, absolutely insane obstacle courses that Mac will face in this video. And if Mac completes all 6 of the obstacle courses coming up, he wins $800,000.
That looks insane. I could not do what he's doing right now. Oh my god, that thing almost touched me. He might not even make it past the first level. 2 more jumps! Oh my god, this is the last jump. I don't know if I can jump that far. And of course, I had to make it the hardest jump. There's double swinging hammers, and it's the longest distance. You have it. I don't know if I have it. Back, 800 grand's on the line. This is gonna be a short video, boys. It's scary for me, and I'm on the stable platform. Don't celebrate too early! That was the easiest of the 6 obstacle courses. Let's go to the next one. Kick harder than that.
Actually, yes it can. And Mac has to complete all 6 obstacle courses if he wants to walk away with $800,000.
Mac, are you ready? I don't know. The answer is no, because we're not hundreds of feet in the air yet. We're going up. Welcome to level 2. As I said before, this one is much harder. Remove your blindfold. Oh! In front of you are 2 games you used to play as a child. Balance beam and monkey bars. You just have to pick one of those and get to this side. Also, take your harness off. No. If for whatever reason he fails this obstacle course,
He free falls 200 feet into a net just like the first course.
then his 800 grand will burn. Jimmy, you gotta chill out, bro. This is the second one. What do you mean? Winning $800,000 isn't supposed to be easy. God, dude.
Alright, looks like he's choosing monkey bars.
This is scary to watch him climb down. Once he starts dangling on that first bar, he can't go back. Let's see if he locks in the monkey bars. No way. And crazy shot. Please don't fall. He's so close. Oh my gosh.
And if you're wondering who my psychotic friend Mac is, he's actually contested from 2 previous challenge videos. And even though he tragically lost both of them, he's been a massive crowd favorite. So I'm going to give him one final chance.
As you'll see, a pattern is now popping up on the floor. Wait for this pattern to populate.
To move on, you'll need to cross this floor only stepping on the green tiles.
And let go of the button.
The catch is, you'll be doing it completely from memory. You have exactly 30 minutes to memorize the 44 tile path perfectly. And if you accidentally step on one red square, your money is rigged to explode.
Here's a riot shield. Oh my gosh. It'll protect you from the bomb. Start the timer! Go for it. And he's off. The rain makes this so much more dramatic. Okay. The first step. Oh! Stop! Don't tell us before you go. I do not need that. That is not helpful to me. I didn't have my riot shield up.
Mac, you sure you don't want to come back?
No,
Bro, you can press the button as much as you want.
If you're not confident in your next step, you should really don't blow up your money. Almost 5 minutes have gone by. I don't need that. And you're still at the start. I don't need that.
Mac, you basically done a tile a minute so far.
Okay, thanks, Carl. And there's more than 30 tiles. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay.
How confident are you?
Not.
That won't explode
I'm not
your money.
confident. Okay.
And you're gonna do it anyways?
I'm kind of confident.
Whoa, he's getting deranged.
23 minutes left. As you're questioning whether or not to take that step, I want to remind you, this is your final chance to win this 800 grand. If you lose again, we're not bringing you back. Is it 4-1 or what do you think?
Who are you asking, Mac?
Jimmy, I don't know. You want me to help you win my money? It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
At this point, Mac was navigating so far into the course that an individual attempt was costing him at least 6 minutes. And no matter what he tried, he continued to forget the very end of the pattern.
It was down 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 4. Boom.
I think this is.
All right, this is uncharted territory. I haven't gone this far.
You have 9 minutes. You can go back and check if you want.
I thought that was it.
The only way I could go from here is forward. I think it's...
Mac,
Yes.
remember how you felt when you lost the 700 grand and the 800 grand?
Frequently, I think about that.
So for your sanity, you might want to go press the button one more time, but it's up to you. Oh, you're going back?
This is going to be my last time.
Okay. Okay. 4, 4, right 2. 4, 4, right 2.
Max spent half his remaining time repeating the pattern over and over again, hoping that his decision to return to the start one last time wasn't for nothing. But when Mac was finally confident enough to give it his last attempt,
Okay, this is it.
he was faced with an extremely tight deadline. Under 4 minutes remain.
Oh my God.
Mac, I think it's time.
Mute everybody out, bro. It's just you.
Godspeed.
It's you and the tiles.
I literally feel my heart pounding right now. This is so intense. He had 30 minutes to do this. There is now less than 3 minutes. One wrong step, and he loses another 800 grand.
4, 4, right 2. 4, 4, this way. 1, 2, 3.
This is where he got stuck last time.
Oh my God. Dude, it's coming down to the wire.
I still got time. I still have time. There's a high probability of an explosion coming up. All right. Max, there's 10 seconds left. Wait, I don't know. What? No, you can just jump. Just jump. One time. Jump. You did it! Good. I'm so happy he's not picking me up.
Oh, you're not going to come here, buddy.
No, I'm being assaulted. And if Mac did step on a red tile. Anyways, let's head over to level 4. Come on. Oh. Now this next level may look friendly, but I know for a fact it's going to obliterate you. This is level 4. And even though this course isn't in the sky, the obstacles you see here
That's a lot.
are almost impossible to accomplish in your one and only attempt. So therefore, you have 2 options.
Tell me.
You can attempt to do this monster of an obstacle course, and if you fall in the water, lose everything. Or you can hold my Feastables chocolate bar, and as long as you don't drop it, get as many attempts as you want.
Feastable sounds like the plan.
Just don't let go of that bar when you hit the water. What could go wrong? He literally would have lost in the first 2 steps. So it's a good thing he's holding on to the greatest chocolate on earth. Yeah, we're gonna be here all night. But I don't want to be. So it's about freaking time he got through the log roll. I just remembered. You're supposed to be wearing this helmet. Even though you don't need a helmet to know that Feastables is the world's best chocolate, I need you to wear one so you don't die holding my product on camera. Whatever you do, don't drop that Feastables chocolate bar. That's available at every single Walmart nationwide. You can also buy Feastables using the YouTube shopping tag on screen. Oh!
What is this?
There's only one way to find out. Give it a try.
It does not feel possible.
Bro, that gap is insane. What is going on?
Mac, you want to get onto it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Genius. Mac seems to be struggling, so I'm going to show him how it's done.
This is how it's done, Mac.
Did you know that Feastables chocolate comes in 7 different flavors? Like my favorite one, almond.
Jimmy's probably going to be joining you down there in a second. I love Feastables chocolate. I'm definitely not taking a break right now to catch air.
Mac, the only thing standing between you and level 5 are these not big red balls. I called them that so Wipeout wouldn't sue me. And these balls are so much harder than the rest of this level that we brought out some other creators to test them out. Let's just say they didn't do so hot.
I'm never going to die.
Disregard everything he just did.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
So if you don't want your trilogy to end with balls, you better hold on to that Feastables bar. Good luck. 3, 2, 1. Oh! God!
2.
Try 3. Try 4.
Yes! No!
For literally hours, Mac just fell. And fell. Oh yeah, and then he fell.
We're gonna be here about 4 days from now.
And no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't grab on to that third ball.
We've been going so long that the sun is literally starting to come up. This is your legacy. You got it. Yes! Yes! It literally took him 3 hours to get on that ball. Oh! Hold on! Don't drop that bar.
I'm not dropping the bar.
Oh! He did it! Press the button before you... Let's go! Oh my God! Well, you only have 2 more obstacle courses
To finally win one of these videos.
It's not getting harder than that.
You can't lie to a man while you shake their hand.
Exactly. Which we're doing.
That totally was the hardest one.
Just kidding, Mac is screwed. This next one is way harder.
Right this way, Mac. Watch out. Watch your steps.
What way are we going?
Yeah, forward.
I can't see.
Take the blindfold off. Welcome to level 5.
What is this? What's going on?
This level, you could probably tell we just built. You see, balance has been a trouble for you in past videos. You even declined the balance beam earlier in this video. You weren't even able to get over 1 rolling log without falling 6 times in a row. So now you'll have to cross not 1, but 3 rolling logs and get all 8 bags of money to the other side. And if you fall once, just once, you lose everything.
And before you do this challenge, I left out one final